Child, if you don't know the right tools to start with as a beginner in Adobe Express, you're going to get overwhelmed and quit. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is trying to use every button, every feature, and every tool before they create anything. I know because I did the same thing. I opened Adobe Express and saw all them options, and I was like, no way, I'll figure it out. The truth is, you don't need to know everything to create something amazing. Here's what I want you to do instead. I want you to focus on three things. I want you to start a template, update the text, and change the colors or the images and make it your own. That's it. Once you master the three steps, your confidence starts to grow. And that's when learning in Adobe Express becomes fun instead of frustrating. That's exactly what I'm teaching inside my free live class on August 1st at 10 a.m. Central. I'll walk you through the beginner-friendly tools you'll actually need, help you avoid the common mistakes, and show you how to design with confidence. And if you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed, I'll send you my free Adobe Express Starter Kit. Just comment "Learn" below, and I'll send you all the details. Until next time, keep designing with confidence, and remember, every design starts with one simple click.